What is up everybody, how you guys been doing? If you guys are new to our channel, let me introduce myself. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching TechTube. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your email on Spotify. So it's pretty simple to change your email in Spotify. So just follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, as I said, drop it down in the comment. Let's move on with the video. And yeah, there's a disadvantage of changing your email in Spotify. Like let's say you change your email. Now once you get all the notification on your older email, you don't get it. You get on your newer email. So if you think like your Spotify is going to be linked with like multiple emails at the same time, it doesn't work like this. For one Spotify, it's going to be linked with only one Spotify. Once you change your email in Spotify, your older email will be removed automatically. So let me show you the process and how you guys can do that. So first step, go to spotify.com, log in into your account, and click on profile, click on account. Now once you're over here, click on versus edit profile, and once you're in edit profile, over here it's going to show you your current email. You can just remove it and enter a new email over here, and over here enter the password of your account. Scroll a bit down, click on save profile. As you guys can see, that's how simple it is to change your email in Spotify. So hope you guys understand and how you guys can change your email. So if you guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your country in Spotify. It's pretty simple to change your country in Spotify, but you need to remember some things. There's different rules for different countries Spotify. Alright, now you guys might be thinking what the hell I just said. It's confusing, but for different country there's different rule in Spotify, so you need to keep that in mind. Alright, so with that said, let's say I'll give you an example. In Indian Spotify, you can listen to any music, but in American Spotify, if you don't have the premium version, you can only listen to 5 musics of your choice. After that, Spotify is going to choose random song from that album. So that's what I'm trying to say. And remember, to change your country in Spotify, you need to buy the premium version of Spotify. If you can't afford to buy the premium version of Spotify, then I'm sorry, you need to find another way, or like you need to make another account using a VPN. Alright, so follow the step if you want to change your country in Spotify. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's jump into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to spotify.com, log in into your account. Once you do that, go on profile, go on account. Over here, scroll a bit down and go on versus join premium. Now once you click on join premium, what you want to do is scroll a bit down over here and versus change country, click on change country. And over here, you want to choose whichever country you want to change into. So let's say I want to change into Barbados. I can click on Barbados. Now, to make this change permanent, you need to buy the premium version of Spotify. And once you buy it, then only your country will be changed. Otherwise, once you go back, then it's gonna go into the default country, India, as you guys can see. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can change your country in Spotify. Don't forget on how you guys can change your language in Spotify. So there's multiple language available in Spotify, ranging from Italian to Indian to English to any other one which you like. Alright, but all the world's language is also not available in Spotify. When I say a lot, I mean there's like 100 or 50 languages available in Spotify. They also keep on adding more languages, so for more languages, make sure to keep on updating your Spotify. So yeah, with that said, let me show you the process and how you guys can change your language. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step, open your Spotify, click on your username at the top and go on versus setting. Now once you go on setting, at the first option, it's going to show your language. So our default language might be different, but my language is English. So let's say I want to change it from English to any other language over here. So let's say I want to change it to, this little, I don't know how to pronounce it, Canadian French. Is it Canadian? Yeah, it's Canadian French, but it's called Francis. I don't know how it's spelled. I'm just going to click on it. And it's going to ask you to restart the app. So just click on restart app. And basically your app should open up just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can change your language. As you guys can see, all the language over here has changed. I can just click on my username again, and I can go on versus setting, and then setting, I'm going to change it back to English, restart app, and it's done. So hope you can change your profile picture of your playlist. So for those people who are new to Spotify, Spotify is a place where you guys can play music and also purchase the premium version of Spotify to listen to your favorite artist's premium songs. So that's also a feature of Spotify, and you guys can also create yourself a playlist and make that playlist public so other people can also come to your public playlist to listen to the song which you listen to. Alright, so that's the feature. And let's say you want to change the picture, you don't want that default picture, or you don't like the picture which you currently have on that playlist, you want to change it. Well, you guys are at the right video, so let me show you the process on how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step is open your Spotify, click on your username over here, and go on profile. Now once you're in your profile, it's going to show you all the playlists which you have created over here. So Kevin's playlist is the playlist I have created. So let's say I want to change its picture. So I can just click on this playlist over here, and once you see your profile picture at the top, hover your mouse on top of it. Once you hover your mouse, it's going to show you choose photo. So just click on it and choose any random photo from your desktop or any photo which you want to put as a profile picture over here, and just set it up. And after you set it up, just click on save. And once you do that, your playlist picture should be changed just like this. So yeah, hope you guys understand on how you guys can change your playlist picture on Spotify, how you guys can change your profile picture in Spotify. So our profile picture is basically, so as you guys can see this little thing over here, yeah, that's my profile picture on Spotify. So I don't like it, now I want to change it. How? Well, you guys can know how by watching this video until the end. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then I would like you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step is, this is my desktop version of Spotify, but the process you need to do for the mobile version is also same. So just click on your profile picture over here and go on versus profile over here. Now once you're over here, you need to wait for some time. Now once it loads up, click on your profile picture. Once you hover your mouse on top of your profile picture, it's gonna say choose photo. So just click on it. And once you do that, it's gonna ask you to choose a photo from your desktop. I'm just gonna choose a random photo over here from my desktop. So I'm gonna choose screenshot over here. So you need to wait for some time. So I want to put this as my profile picture on my Spotify. So once you do that, once you choose the photo which you want to set as your profile picture, click on save and wait for some time. It loads up, and like that my profile picture is changed. So that's how you guys can change your profile picture on Spotify. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And it's on how you guys can change your passport in Spotify. So it's pretty simple. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you, so you guys can also change your passport in Spotify. And just a heads up guys, that if you change your passport in Spotify, when you try to log in into your Spotify, you need to enter your new passport. If you enter your older passport, it's gonna say incorrect because now your passport has changed. So you need to enter your new passport to log in into your Spotify account. So just keep that in mind, alright? And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question related with the video, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video now, shall we? So the first step is, you want to come to spotify.com and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, click on versus profile and go on account. Now once you go on account over here, you want to go on versus change passport. Now once you go on change passport, you need to enter your current passport over here like this, and then you need to enter your new passport over here, and then you need to enter it again to confirm it, and click on set new passport, and a new passport will be set. So that's how you guys can change your passport in Spotify. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechTube for future Spotify related videos just like this. You can change your username on Spotify. So before starting the video, I'm gonna make it clear for you guys to not waste your time. You guys cannot change your username in Spotify. So basically, it's not username which you guys can change, it's called your name. So there's a difference between your username and your account name. So basically, most people get confused. They think like their display name is their username in Spotify, but not. Your name and your display name are two separate things in Spotify. So your username looks like this. Over here where it says username, this like random long word, this is your username. So basically this is different than your display name. Of course this is gonna be different than your display name. Your display name is not gonna be this long. I mean Spotify doesn't allow you to make a name this long as well. So you can change your username. The name which you can change is your display name. So how you guys can change your display name is by watching the video until the end. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechTube, and let's move on. So the first step, you want to open your Spotify app and click on your profile picture looking icon or your display name and click on where it says profile. Now once you're in your profile, over here where it says Vichy Kevin, click on where it says Vichy Kevin, but in your screen it's going to show you your display name, and then just change it. So I'm just going to put it Vichy Kevin 20 and click on save and wait for some time, and my name has changed to Vichy Kevin 20. So that's how you guys can change your display name in Spotify. So hope you guys understand. And sorry, but you guys can't change your username. Alright, it's permanent. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Spotify account without you having access to your email. Because if you go on reset passport, it's gonna send a code to your email. But this time you don't have access to your email, but you want to log in into your Spotify. How? Let me show you the process. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Contact Spotify and then click on where it says Contact or Support Spotify. It'll bring you to this website. Over here, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Messages. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to log in into your Spotify. But since we don't have our Spotify account's email, we can't log in. So we're gonna click on Forgot Your Password. Now once you do that, it's gonna bring you to this page. Over here, click on Spotify Support, because we don't have access to our passport and email. Now once you're over here, you want to choose Send Message. And once you click on Send Message, it's gonna open a message box. At first, you're gonna be chatting with a bot. So how you guys can go to like an advisor or to a staff is by following this step, right this over here. Now once this opens up, write this: I can't log in into my Spotify account and I don't remember my password, as well as I don't have access to my email. Can you help me recover my account? Now over here, you want to click on Can't Login and then click on where it says No. Over here, you want to write your name. Click on Yes, and as you guys can see, it's connecting us with an advisor. That means it's the staff of Spotify. So that's how you guys can get connected with the staff of Spotify. Now you can chat with them and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so just make sure to contact the actual Spotify staff. Don't go to any other website. It says Hanny O, so I'm now chatting with Hanny O, the staff of Spotify, which is on how you guys can see your song history on Spotify. Now just like in YouTube's video history, you guys can see the video which you recently watched. There's a thing in Spotify called Song History, which is going to show you all your recently played song. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order for you guys to view your song history in Spotify. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step is open Spotify, and on top of your Spotify there's going to be this clock looking icon. So just click on it. It's going to show you all your song history. By that I mean it's going to show you all your recently played song over here. But sometimes this thing is buggy, so this is a new feature added by Spotify. So if you don't see that small clock looking icon at the top, it means your Spotify is not up to date, which means you need to update your Spotify. So in order to see that button, make sure your Spotify is up to date. But right now this thing is a bit buggy, and they're gonna fix it and gonna release the update in the future. So in the future you can easily see your song history over here just like this. But right now what we need to do in order to see our song history is go on your library and go on where it says liked song or any album. Just go on any album or like playlist you have created over here. So I'm gonna go on my liked song playlist, click on add song, and then swipe right. Swipe right again, and it's gonna show you recently played. So these are all the songs I have recently played. So that's how you guys can see your song history in Spotify. How you guys can fix your Spotify not downloading music. So there's multiple reasons behind why you can't download music. So the reason behind why you want to download music is so you can listen to it when you have no Wi-Fi or when you're offline. But since you can't download it, you can't listen to it offline. So let me show you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. So the first step is you want to open Spotify and make sure if your internet connection is stable. Sometimes your music can be downloaded if your internet connection is slow. So make sure to check if your internet connection is fast enough for downloading the music. And even if your internet connection is stable and you're still facing the problem, then it might be because if you don't have Spotify Premium. Now remember, to download music in Spotify, you need to have Spotify Premium. So if you don't have the paid version of Spotify, also known as Spotify Premium, then I'm sorry, you can't download music and there's no way to fix this. Alright, so make sure to get a Spotify Premium and check your internet connection. And even if this doesn't fixes your problem, then go to a Play Store or App Store to check if your Spotify is up to date. Sometimes it's caused by a bug and Spotify releases an update to fix the bug. So make sure to keep your Spotify up to date in order to fix that bug, because that bug might be the problem for causing you not to download your music offline. And the other thing is you want to click on the setting over here, and once you're in setting, there's gonna be an option called download using cellular. If it is turned off, then make sure to turn it on. So basically what it does is it allows you to download music in Spotify even if you're using a cellular data and not a Wi-Fi. And if that turning on also doesn't fixes your problem, then the last step what you want to do is you want to offload Spotify. For that you want to go under setting, and under setting you want to go on storage. And once you go on storage, you want to find Spotify from over here by scrolling a bit down. Once you see Spotify, click on it, click on offload app, and offload your Spotify, and this should fix your problem. How you guys can fix this can't be play right now problem in Spotify. So there's multiple reasons behind this problem and there's multiple ways to fix it. So the first way is if your internet connection is slow. So if your internet connection is slow, then Spotify can't play that music. That's why it's showing you this problem. So make sure if your internet connection is stable. And even if your internet connection is stable and you're facing this problem, then let me show you guys how you guys can fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. So the first step, you want to open Spotify, click on this three dot and click on view. And if your hardware acceleration is tick marked, what you want to do is click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to turn off your hardware acceleration. And once your hardware acceleration is, unticked, it should work. But if it is still not working, the next thing is click on your, username, and then go on setting. Now once you go on setting, where it says streaming quality, if it is set on high, then you want to set on automatic. Alright, make sure it's set on automatic and it should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fixes your problem, then the last thing you can do is click on a speaker looking icon at the bottom, right click on it, and click on sound and go on where it says playback, and where it says the stick mark, so I'm using this speaker over here, I can double click on it and go on where it says advanced. And over here you want to change it to anything. Alright, don't keep it on default, change it to whichever option you like over here. And then what you want to do is click on apply, click on OK, and it should fix your problem. How you guys can fix Spotify's shuffle not working. So for those people who do not know what Spotify is, let me give you a short description of what Spotify is. So Spotify is a music playing platform. Just like in YouTube, we can play music, but we have to watch video on that. Well, in Spotify, you can listen to music without happening to watch the video. So it could save your battery, and it could save you from constantly turning on your phone. You can just turn off your phone and the music can play on your background. So that's like the advantage of Spotify. Now with shuffle play, let's say you go into an album, turn on shuffle play. It's gonna play any random song you want. So what happens is, there's two reasons why your shuffle play is not working. One is you don't know how to turn it on, and the other is you turn it on and you don't know if it is working or not. So as I said, shuffle play randomly plays whichever song it wants, but mostly Spotify algorithm has a big role on this. So let's say you listen to Lil Nas X song more. So when you shuffle play some music on an album, it's gonna play Lil Nas X song more because you listen to Lil Nas X song more. So it's gonna, randomly choose Lil Nas X song to play next, alright? So your shuffle play is working, but the algorithm is picking the song. It's picking the song which you prefer more. So that's what it is. So let me show you guys how you guys can turn on a shuffle play. You can go to any random album you want. So I go to this Hindi music album and you want to click any song you want, and after you click a song, just open the song over here like this, and then click on this three dot over here and then click on shuffle, and bang, your shuffle play is on. Now it's gonna play any random song from this album after this song finishes. To turn it off, you can just click on this shuffle again, and once it's white, then it's off. So that's how you guys can turn on and off your shuffle play and how you guys can fix it. But if you still think your shuffle play is not working, you can always delete your Spotify and reinstall it again. How you guys can fix your Spotify not sharing on Instagram. So basically what this problem means is, so there's a feature in Spotify which allows you to share your music on Instagram story. So if this problem is occurring, you can share the favorite music which you want to share on your Instagram. It can. So there's multiple reasons behind this, and I'm going to be going into each of those reasons. Now before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechTube for future videos just like this. And let's get into the video. So the first reason could be slow internet connection. So make sure to check if you guys have a slow internet connection, because sometimes this problem occurs due to a slow internet connection. So if you have a stable internet connection and you're still facing this problem, it might be a bit different reason. So it might be because your Spotify or your Instagram is not up to date. So make sure to go to your Play Store or App Store and check if your Spotify and Instagram is up to date or not. So if it is not, make sure to update it. And even if it is up to date and you're still facing the problem, what you can do is you can offload your Instagram and your Spotify. By offloading, it means you are deleting and reinstalling your Spotify. So how to do it on your Apple is, you want to go to your setting over here. Once you go on your setting, you want to search for storage. Once you search for storage, you want to scroll a bit down over here once you're in your storage, and you want to search for Spotify and Instagram. So over here I see my Instagram. Click on Instagram, click on offload app, and your Instagram will be offloaded. After you do that for Instagram, search for Spotify, click on offload app, and your Spotify will be offloaded. Once you do that, sign in into your Instagram again, sign in into your Spotify again, and try to share your music on your story just like this. So let me share this little podcast over here on my story. What I can do is click on this three dot, scroll a bit down, go on share, and choose Instagram over here, put this in story, click on this button, share, and it's done. So it works. So and how you guys can set a sleep timer on Spotify. Now before I show you guys how you guys can set a sleep timer, let me give you guys a short description of what a sleep timer is. So for those people who do not know what a sleep timer is in Spotify, basically what you can do is you can play a podcast or any song and then put a sleep timer on. So let's say I play a podcast and I place a sleep timer on for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my Spotify is gonna stop playing that song automatically, and it's gonna stop playing the song. And basically once it stops playing the audio, it's done. Like your Spotify, it's like automatically closing your Spotify in a way. All right, now what this does is this saves you from like your phone being used all night. So let's say you don't turn on your sleep timer and you sleep while playing some music, your music is going to be playing entire night. What this is going to do is this is going to drain your phone's battery. So with sleep timer, you can set a sleep timer. After 30 minutes, Spotify automatically stops playing the music and your phone battery isn't going to be used all night. So yeah, that's the advantage of sleep timer. Now let me show you guys how you guys can set it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. So for this video, I'm going to be using Gary Vee's audio podcast. So I open a random episode of Gary Vee's podcast and you can see this little moon looking icon. You can click on it and you can select how long you want it. So let's say I want my phone to close after 10 minutes. I can click on 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes of this audio being played, my phone is going to stop playing this audio and my Spotify will be turned off. So that's how you guys can set a sleep timer on Spotify. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your problem, which is Spotify, something went wrong. Please try again later. So what this problem is, basically if you're facing this problem, when you open your Spotify, like on my screen, it's showing me all this music over here, right? but in your screen it's gonna be blank, completely blank, and it's gonna show you something went wrong. Now there's multiple reasons behind this problem, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix it step by step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And with that said, let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first reason behind why you're facing this problem might be if your internet connection is slow. So make sure to check if your internet connection is stable, and if your internet connection is stable and you're still facing this problem, the second reason might be if your Spotify is not up to date. So make sure to go to your Play Store or App Store to check if your Spotify is up to date. So my Spotify is up to date, so you guys can also go to your Play Store or App Store to check if it is up to date. And even if your Spotify is up to date and you're still facing this problem, then the other reason to fix this, or like the other method to fix this problem, is by going to your setting. So I'm using iPhone. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna offload my Spotify. So if you guys don't know how to offload apps on your phone, the feature of offloading is different in different apps. So just search on YouTube how to offload apps on my phone, like enter your company's phone's name. So for iPhone users, just go on setting, and you want to go on versus storage, and then on storage you want to find Spotify over here. So I found my Spotify. I click on offload app. Now once I do that, what it's gonna do is it's gonna delete my Spotify and reinstall it again. Is on how you guys can fix your Spotify's date of birth problem. So for most people who do not know why this problem is occurring, let me tell you guys why these problems are occurring. Now there's multiple ways on why this problem is occurring. Now I'm gonna go step by step on how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys want to know how to fix this problem, watch the video until the end. And if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with the video or any problem with Spotify, you can comment down below. I'll make a video on that topic to help you guys to fix that problem. Now with that said, let's get into the video. So the first reason behind why your date of birth is not changing when you're trying to change it is because of your slow internet connection. So if you're trying to change your date of birth and you have an internet connection slower or like lower than 5 MB per second, then you need to get a stable internet connection or an internet connection which is faster than 5 MB per second. But even if you have a fast internet connection, the second reason on why your date of birth is not changing is if you're trying to change your date of birth multiple times. So let's say you try to change your date of birth more than 5 or more than 4 times in a single day, within 24 hours, then this problem is gonna occur. So don't try to change your date of birth frequently, like 2 or 3 times in a single day. If your problem is not any one of this, then let me show you a way on how you guys can change your date of birth. Because let's say you don't know how to change your date of birth, so that could also be your problem. So to change your date of birth, you need to come to spotify.com and log in into your account. And once you're on its website, just scroll a bit down and go on edit profile. And over here's going to be date of birth. You can change it. So I'm going to change it from January 2 to January 8. Click on save profile and my date of birth is changed. How you guys can listen to Spotify music offline. Now before you guys can listen to Spotify music online, I'm gonna make it clear. If you guys don't have a Spotify premium, then you guys can't listen to music offline in Spotify. You need to have the premium version of Spotify in order to listen your music offline. But let's say you want to listen to podcasts. Now the podcast is the only thing you don't need Spotify premium to download and listen to offline. So it's pretty simple. So I have a podcast over here open. I can click on this three dot, click and download. This podcast is downloaded. You can listen to it offline. But for music, it's a bit different. So let me show you the way how you guys can do that. But before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to open Spotify, click on the setting looking icon, and once you're over here, you want to go on versus playback. And once you're in playback, if you guys have Spotify premium, there's going to be a setting called listen to offline music. You need to turn that on. After you turn that on, all the music which is downloaded on your Spotify, you can listen to it offline. Now that's also the reason why you guys are facing this problem, like you guys are not able to listen to your Spotify music offline. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix this problem. And some people don't know how to download music in Spotify, so I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can do that, so you guys can listen to your music offline. You can basically just go to any song you want over here. So let's say I go to this song, and once you open this song, we click on this 3 button, and there's going to be a download music option over here. Just like I just showed you the download button on the Gary Vee podcast, there's going to be a similar download button over here. But since I don't have the premium version of Spotify, that download button is not available over here. But if you have premium, you can download the music and listen to offline. Just make sure to turn that button, listen to music offline on the setting as I showed you by going to playback. And it's on how you guys can sign up for Spotify. So it's pretty simple to sign up for Spotify. So right now over here, what you see in my screen is that I've opened Spotify. So this is not the website version of it. This is the, software version of it. So I've downloaded and installed Spotify and opened it. If you guys do this in mobile or in desktop, whichever place you do this, it's going to show you the same screen. So it is asking you to either log in into your account or create a self account. If you guys have an account, you can enter the info, log in into it. It's pretty simple. But if you don't have an account and you want to create an account, then you watch this video. Now before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now to sign up into Spotify, if you want to sign up using your Google ID or your Facebook or your Apple, these 3 are given over here. You can click on any one of these and link your Facebook or your Google or your Apple ID and you're good to go. But let's say you don't want to create an account using Facebook, Google and Apple ID. You want to create a separate Spotify account not linked with anything. You want to click on where it says sign up and it's going to take you over here. Over here, you want to enter an email for your account over here, for your Spotify account. And then create a password for your Spotify account over here like this. And then enter a name for yourself. This is going to be a username. So I want to keep myself over here. You want to click on continue, and before that you want to agree to its terms and service. Alright, you just want to check mark these 2 both. You want to click on continue, and then it's gonna ask you to choose your date of birth over here, and then it's asking you to choose your gender, and then check mark these 2 buttons as well. Click on join Spotify and you should be signed up for Spotify. How you guys can recover your Spotify account. By recover, I mean let's say you forgot the password of your Spotify account and you want to log in into your Spotify account, but you can't because you don't remember your password. Now you can change your password without knowing your current password. How? Well, for that you need to watch the video until the end. And before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step is you want to open Spotify. So this is the downloaded version of Spotify. This is not your web version, alright? And once you download your Spotify, over here where it says login, there's a reset password button. Click on it. Once you do that, it's asking you to choose which browser you want to use. So I'm going to use my, Brave browser over here for this. And after your browser opens up, what you want to do is, it's going to take you to the official website of Spotify. And once you're over here, enter your email address. And it's going to send a code or like a link to your email address, and you need to check that code. Now if you don't have access to your email address, then I'm sorry, you can't reset your password in Spotify. Alright, so I'm going to enter my email address and click on send. You also do that. Now over here, I'm opening my Gmail. So let's see if Spotify has sent me a code. So as you guys can see, Spotify has sent me the code. I can click on reset password over here, and it's going to take me to the passport reset page of Spotify. Now once you're in the passport reset page, you want to enter your new password over here and enter it again to confirm it, and click on I'm not a robot to verify yourself as a human. Click on send and your password will be resetted. So that's how you guys can reset the password in Spotify and recover your Spotify account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechTube for future videos just like this. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.